my chin. Alright, whatever. Alright, so hi timer guys. Yesterday was, I don't know, yesterday was messy for me. However, today though, I am leaning way more bullish now. I am leaning more bullish now. Structure was a little confusing for me yesterday because of this big ass city. At the time, we had invested on what is it called? Hold up. We had invested on NQ, but we didn't not yet. So it was like, it was messing around with me mentally. So yeah, it was pretty tough yesterday for sure. But I was able to switch my bias pretty decent, right, and come back to my original bias. But yeah, it was definitely a little messy yesterday. But we did come out slightly loser gonna day, so it's fine, you know. I just don't like that we took out the previous 4 hours high, dude. But I am still leaning slightly more bullish, if that makes sense. I just don't like when it does this stuff like this. NQ. I am gonna mark it down on the lower time frame as well. So, what could happen right now? Can we go to south side and then drop and go higher? Yeah, that's preferably what I would feel more comfortable with. Looking for shorts. And then long from here. This is my draw, guys. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, it's right here. Right here, these equal highs. This is my easy liquidity. So if I could take like a really nice scalp from there, that would be amazing. Wait, I don't have that on the lower time frames? That's pretty weird. No, I do. What the hell? It is. Yeah, it is this. So I'm really looking for shorts and then longs in my bias. I don't really just want to, or an SMT even better for me. SMTs has really been important for me recently. Like I thought I wasn't gonna be like as big in the deal, but they're really important if you have the right bias, of course. You know. So for in this case scenario, like I want to have high, I want to have low, and then higher, but I want to have SMTs at the lowest. You know, and then I would long the stronger asset, obviously. But yeah. We are inside and then we go opening gap. But you have so many though. I think I don't like what. I really long in cube, I'm being honest. But we'll see. 9:30. I have 9:30. What the hell? Okay, whatever. We have neither 10 guys, so that's low heads up. I'm waiting till news, guys. I'm not gonna be indulged real quick and get whooped. So I'd rather just wait till news. We do have minor SMTs, but I'd rather just really wait. And let me see what had to happen in the 5 minute. Dude, don't tell me just gonna run up like this, dude. I'm not trading this. If we do, then that's gonna be suckish because I really didn't want to trade today, but I'm gonna lower my risk. I do see the SMTs, guys. I'll take a thingy real quick of it, but SMT. I'd rather have a high SMT. I'm not gonna short this. Tough. I mean, if you feel ballsy like that, I wouldn't personally. Like, it's not a major liquidity point for me. I would only take SMT and M1 if we already had SMT below that, and then we already continue in the continuation cycle. That's tough. We are having a chance to deliver now with the breaker. But they didn't even give you an answer. That's crazy. That's tough. I mean, that is gonna be tough because I really wanted them to be my easy draw for the day, and if that doesn't work, what can I do? All right. We tapped it. Ugh. It's gonna be messy. We just got more buy side here. We take out pre-market highs. If we tap into this 4 hour and reject, I might short it into a lower, either London lower or something, you know. But I gotta be very careful. All right. Wow, that's crazy, bro. They didn't even allow me to. That is super crazy. All right, so we didn't touch it. That's not so diddy. We left it intact. I'm gonna wait because we might just retrace lower and go higher again. We did take out minor. Right here. Again, I'm just waiting to news. I'm not really in the mood for tracing this. Again, I'd rather see London. We didn't take it out, so that's good. Oh, we did here. What the fuck? It's so weird, dude. Thank you. It's so weird sometimes. But I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna still go for it if we do find support. Too early for me to try to look for trade, guys. Too early. It's too early. I said the news, so let that be the case. But yeah, I would have looked for sure on we haven't hit it. I'm gonna go with the NQ, but we haven't hit it, so that's what I'm gonna leave it as. I do want to see some sweep for sure, lower and then go high, but we'll see. You see, if this move is gonna hold, you see, hold up now. From this high to this low. I personally don't like it, but if you like it, go for it, for sure. It's not a bad trade, but it's just too early for me. It's way too early for me to try to tell the entrance. Yeah, it's interesting for sure. That would get crazy. If I scalp, I'm gonna have to scalp like a 1-on-1 or something, because this is still my draw. This is my easy probabilistic draw, but he has already tapped it. Supposedly we didn't, but on MNQ we did. So it's like, bro. Oh no, we didn't. We did take out previous 4 hours highs. It's still too early for me. I'm gonna just wait till news, because maybe we get a clearer direction. Now we just took out both. That's crazy, dude. It'll be dead, but it's too much thingy right here. Too much. Why is that the lowest? That was so hard, what the hell? Bruh, we're having so much shit. BS going on. Yeah, I mean, we are respecting this breaker. It's just like we took a buy side already so much, and it's like a little confusing for me, in my opinion. Ugh, that's messy. Very messy. I'd really rather just go lower than go higher. Excuse me, guys. But we did take out this. I'm saying I don't like this. That we took out this right here. We see if we took out previous 4 hours highs, it's like not a really good idea to continue pushing for that one right now. But if we were to go lower, I would need rejections here now. For sure. Let me just wait. I don't know. I don't know. Nice reaction though. I might be leaving my bed here. Oh yeah. My soda would have to go, yeah. Nice rejection for sure. I don't know, just we're gonna FPG stop loss here. It's not even worth it. Do we have Asian though? Nah, I really just wait really for the upside. I gotta be careful though. Alright, so we did get an entry rejection from this equilibrium level over here. I would be anticipating now FPG to form here or something, and then just short that. 15. M5, the M5 like messy dog. Like messy dog. Alright, excuse me. Yeah, right now it's too messy. Yeah, so there I would definitely get in from here. But I still don't like it. I don't have a thingy. I'm overall bullish, so that's why I'd rather just trade with the trend. But there would be a nice right here, and my stop loss would be here. I would need to reject here if it's gonna go lower for me. Another low would be, I would probably take out like one, but this is not a day trade, guys. I don't like this. I really just wait. This is a paper trade. You see already, I need to see this reject 50% of this order block. Or else I'm effed. Yeah, just too messy for me, dude. Too messy. Let me see. Yes, what is he doing? Shit. What the hell? I got stopped already? Oh, not yet. It's very messy. Like rejections. This paper trade, guys.
Con YouTube Premium, mira sin anuncios, sin conexión y en
I still wouldn't like this though. This is basically a trade. Total on the lows. Why did I take this trade? Because we took supposedly pre-market highs. I think into a 1 hour too, if I'm not mistaken. No, we have it. That's what I'm saying. I'm overall still bullish. Like this is still probably just damaging, but I gotta see. I am looking for long, guys. I am looking for long. So that's why I'm not trading anything yet. But I am looking for long. My first pressure would obviously be thingy here. Buy. If I thought to buy. this though. It's moving too choppy for me. And here I move my stop loss to here. Really break even. I don't want to be interested in coming back no more. This thing is so annoying. I'm gonna stop break even. You guys are just doing his own BS. That's funny. I would leave it there. It was here. It's not really. Yeah, I would just leave it here. I mean, technically you can move to break even, bro. And I would do that. I would. I don't really want to lose no more. Like if I'm gonna be chopped up around, then I'd rather just be break even and try to. It's gonna be very hard today. Very, very hard today. We did have some teeth here. But we would take a buy, so that's like not looking good for me. News. That was news, guys. Bro, what the fuck? they're just like doing his own thing. Bro, news ain't do anything. Yeah, I don't even know if I want to push the buttons today. It doesn't make sense. I would really wait for thingy to close out on Q. Check the 5 minute. Bro, what the fuck? Oh man, you gotta love these days. Yep, it's the last time I ever trade really on a day before Nippy. No more ICT. There we go. There we go. But I mean, I wouldn't really take that trade. It just didn't. I would only do it because of higher time frames, but I actually don't even need that. I need this. I'll just put this. We just took London low, guys, so I don't know, maybe we might look for a reversal here. Oh, definitely not easy. Alright, we just took out London low, guys. Very good. Alright. Here we haven't. That's what I'm saying. Here's ideally where I would want to look for a reversal. But the thing is weird though. We're taking an Asia low. And we are trading back into a busy. But it's also a wig. This is still my draw, guys, right here, up here. We're below 8:30, we're below 9:30, so it's really ideal now. Price. Oh cheat! You just get a BPR here. Oh no, we definitely are gonna get a fair running up. We have see how we rejected him. I wasn't really too confident much, but glad he played out, I guess. If anybody took this trade like this one, UG, we took out buys at pre-market highs above 8:30 and 9:30, and that was good for staying. But I'm still looking for this, guys. Right here, this buy side. I really want to see it start rejecting 50% of this wick. We did come back into the order block. So, you know, if we start seeing a market structure shift to the upside, I'm in disguise like Donkey Kong. I'm just be a little bit more patient now. If we start rejecting higher, guys, then I would definitely start looking for, you know, we have a 2022 model. I'll probably get in. It would be a little risky in a way, but I'm just bullish, guys. I don't see myself. Shorting. But I'm gonna know my risk, obviously. I'm not gonna put a crazy amount of risk today. Probably gonna take one trade and be done. If it doesn't work out, then it is what it is. But if we see a 2022 model, we in this, boys. And I wouldn't really expect much today either way, so. Yes, also took a minor buy side, sell stops. The two would look a little cleaner for sure. How much would this be? If I take it here. That is a latex. What about here? But I would really start seeing FVGs get the respect. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be very careful here. Why would I take ES either ways? Because of the S&Ts, if we don't take it out, of course. 56. We are tapping into a 4-hour block. I guess I want to see this get rejected, guys. Situation lows, unload into a fair value gap. Again, I'm just gonna wait. It looks cleaner than 2 minutes, so that's what I'm just gonna wait for it to get inverted completely. What's 30-minute look like? Yeah, we see we ran above these highs, so it's like it's very hard to try to get into it. I'm only going with 2 contras, guys. One minute left. I'm just gonna mark a buy it. 49 seconds left, guys. You know what? Let me wait for this M5 to clear up first. I just realized we have an M5 here. I want to see a closure first. Hold up. 1 minute left. Yeah, no, I'm gonna wait. You see? I'm gonna wait. It will look like it wants to go lower, so I'm gonna wait. Oh, wait. Yeah, I mean, we took that trade GG, but I really think I learned the low, so I was looking for it. Alright, so we don't have SMTs anymore. Alright, I'm gonna just wait again now. We just got London low for EQ. What the previous is low? There's so many. I told you, there's so many new week opening gaps too next to it. I don't like this. Change the state. I would have preferred a rally gap. That's crazy though. If you took the GG. Yeah, I would have just wait, dude. This was my draw. It still is my draw really for the day. It's funny, I thought we took a long from here. We should long this to here. Like, yeah, I'm done for the day. Mentally, I'm not ready right now. Same thing right now. I'm just waiting because I'm waiting for these, but we are gonna be tapping soon. Well, we already are tapping into a busy. Overall, I'm still bullish. Really, we are tapping into a 4-hour order block. I really don't want to see any more lower if we're gonna go lower. It's weird. Did we tap on MNQ here, the H4? We didn't as well, so I don't know. I'll see, maybe just building it up for tomorrow for NP. Which is fine, I guess, but I just prefer not to see it. You know, well, whatever. It is what it is. I really don't want to see a break below this low, because if in that case, my bias is really switching back to bearish. And we're still within this thing, which is so annoying, because that's why I was looking for continuation higher, but I feel like we just straight dumped. This is overall my long-term draw. That's rejection. That was clean. The low is still left intact though. Oh, you should have, sorry, see? Right here. Oh no, we took it out too. Oh no, wait, no. We didn't. I'm blind. Free as we didn't. We still have some tea with right here. Right here. That's not really looking for longer, but I'm just gonna wait for confirmation for sure. I like how we reject the midnight. ES is a stronger asset. But things I really just think E in Q because I have a short clear draw. You know what I mean? Give me a sec.
Venta relámpago de Ryu, con hasta un 22% de descuento para despedir el verano.
Order filled. Order filled.
My bad, guys. My bad. I was muted. Yeah, good trade. I didn't risk much there, guys. Just because, like I said, I prefer to have seen the hell 1050. Yeah, I control my risk. The thing is, the reason why I closed early, guys, was because of this. Like, we could retrace this whole move, but we do have an M5 here, so I really want to see this hold. Do we have an M5 here too? Yeah, we do. I want to see a hold. A suppler would be the way here. I would want to see it very quickly. GG. I mean, yeah, that was a good try. Yeah, I'm break even for the day, for the week. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. I'm done for the day, bro. There's no reason for me to try to looking for more. I do want to see this already. If we do come back, yeah, we are coming back to it. So I want to see this hold. I wonder if Tanya and Thingy took the same trade as me. Let me open up their website. You can do that. You can do that. You can do that. You do that. You can do that. Oh, he did take the trade. Yeah, the breaker too.
I'm gonna get stopped out, but
yeah, target projection cells.
and that's not what we want.
Oh, he was looking for shorts. Nah, we already had taken out Asian though. I had S&T. That was bullish
If it
over.
goes through the FEG, then I'll look to enter a buy. I'll look to enter a buy if if we
Breaker.
displace through like this high here, leave a fair value gap. This would be a bullish breaker on the 1 minute. Then yeah, I would long. I would look to long
Unicorn.
in it here. For the day, high here, leave a fair value gap. This would be a bullish breaker on the 1 minute. And yeah, I would look to long into here. Not looking good, chat.
Yeah.
Might get fucked here.
Yeah, we're not taking Asian. Like I said, guys, Asian low and London low, bro. If you still looking for a continuation, you really gotta be bearish. Like
Got fucked here, chat.
I mean, like bearish.
Nasdaq just left the nuts hanging out. No expansion there.
Yeah, I was looking for longs, bro. This is all liquidity.
Bullish breaker.
Fair value gap here, soon enough.
Watch me flip long, chat.
Yes, sir.
If it loses, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
15-minute chart here. ES will beat NQ to the high here.
Yeah, I don't know how. It was a weaker one between the two as well.
Yeah, chat. I guess if we don't get this delivery here, I'm just gonna be red on these accounts for the day. In all reality, though, I mean, if you're thinking about your stop placement like this is genuinely how I think about stop placement. It's like, okay,
Repeat arrays.
the whole ICT adage.
2.
If 3 PD arrays fail, your ass is probably next.
Yeah, but I'm more solid because of this breaker. I'm gonna lie.
3 PD arrays.
The breaker.
Our breaker.
The fair value gap, and an auto block right here.
Fair value gaps.
And auto blocks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. That's why I decided to move my thingy stop loss. We already inversed the
We
info.
still have SMT with that Asia low, by the way. ES never did run it out.
Yes, sir. You see? Yeah, that's one reason why I was looking at SMT.
We'll see, chat. We'll see. I don't know.
And if you guys look as well, we were also having we tapped into a M1 order block of fair value gap after shipping with a lot of stuff. The thing is, we just took out so much buy side. That's the only reason why I was hesitating. Look what's holding, guys. Let me take this out of the way.
Do I feel more comfortable, Kev? I feel more comfortable with my stop being
At the low.
You know, below what should become, in my opinion, a protected high or low.
But we have so many.
I don't like big stops though, because it fucks my risk reward up. I mean, every trader wants the smallest stop possible, right?
I don't know why I take partial. The thing is, I only had literally one micro, so I really couldn't take partial. I could have moved to break even, but am I really gonna risk getting?
I've seen before where you have your stop. Like, I hope this doesn't end up being an example of that, right? Like, my stop isn't at this low,
and we get an SMT.
and if we were to get a 97% fib retracement, I'm gonna get stopped out. This is the way that I think about it subconsciously. Is like, bro, if we come down and invalidate all these people, it's like the trade is not as high probability anyway.
Yeah, it's not. Exactly.
Sometimes it does.
It does come down.
Me over, but
most of the time when it's flipping long, it should respect the first one or two. Like, at this time, I just had this fair value gap right here. So that's why I really wasn't
you know
like.
What I mean, like if my stop is here, and we come to here, I'm just hoping and praying it works anyway. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Like, that's not a great strategy.
Exactly.
The last thing every time I don't know, it just doesn't sit right with me.
Me and him have the same entry. That's funny. But like, well, yeah, the breaker basically.
JT says keep the stop loss. I don't know. It just doesn't sit right with me.
Yeah, that's what we're
SMT
getting.
against the trade.
Yeah.
Up almost 1R.
Yeah.
On a stop, it's 47 points.
Yeah, that's what I was like.
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
Not really my cup of tea.
Yeah, it's like you're really gonna have to hold your nails for that trade.
Actually take a full loss at that point.
Exactly. Did he end up winning?
Raise hold. Oh.
Order block.
If bullish order flow is going to maintain, would like to see these
Below here.
hold.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to move stop loss either ways. Order block
SMT against my trade though now. ES taking out this high.
Mhm.
So.
Yeah.
Which is so fucking. I mean.
Annoying because ES was a weaker one.
The conditions have been tough this morning and yesterday morning.
Yeah. Guys, we literally took the same trade. That's why I was thinking.
The relative strength or weakness can flip on these two at any moment.
Yeah, ES was the weakest one. Like, and then for this to just.
It could be a little frustrating.
And it's funny because we never got retap back into the order block, into the breaker. So yeah, like I said, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if you saw this or not, but if you guys look, we did tap into a 1 hour fair value gap, and I was overall bullish. Why? Look at these equal highs. I was gonna be pissed if we did tap into it because I was like, damn, I might have to look for shorts.
Why is your TP so risky, brother? It might bounce London. My TP's risky? I don't think my TP's risky.
Good shit, dude.
Up like into this rejection block, I would say. If we can get there. Was here.
Hey, my boy's up now. Good shit.
Not gonna do that. I am gonna start trailing though soon.
Below here. I will move it below here. Order blanc, fair value gap. Like.
ES is pumping nice here. Junior Harry is on one.
Oh, he moves stop loss to the order block.
But he doesn't like Trump. Well, we're getting a nice reaction now out of this gap, but
Did he hold for everything? Oh shit.
and then we'd potentially be inversing this gap at that same time, right? So, you know, no need for us to come back down here again. Top is right above that, with the anticipation that
That's gonna
you
hold.
know, no need for us to come back down here again.
If I had bro, I'm saying once I'm funded, I would be
And then we'd
patient.
potentially be inversing this gap at that same time, right? So, I would be okay with just taking what the market was willing to give, I guess, right?
Yeah. I only had one. That's why I'm like, yeah, I'm closing. I want like 1.5. I'm like, there's no point of trying to.
If you are stupid and racist, you will enjoy Trump. He speaks to your inner evils.
What?
Man, Junior Harry is a woke pussy.
This Bruh. He got. I would have kept it below that order block, really. But then I would have gave up so much profit
I
back.
get an amen, chat. All right, guys, stopped in profit there.
Yeah, he came out green into
Stopped
the
in
day.
profit. Looks like this inversion on this gap is about to take.
Control.
About to.
I would have kept
so-
it below that order block.
Like I said, just didn't want to come away with nothing on that. Back in green on the day. Obviously not a full target there, but
Risk management, baby.
1 minute Sibby here. Never traded a 25K prop account.
Oh yeah, see, I would have kept it below that order block, dog. But I mean, it could still fail, dog.
And SMT with the high with ES. Let's see. This is the P&L. So yeah, up like 140.
Good stuff.
Down here got trailed out.
You see?
Basically after this inversion here, and SMT with the high with ES.
Oh, it hadn't taken it though, still.
So we're green, man. We're green.
Good
Could
stuff.
be worse.
Yeah. I'll take it, bro. Got in here. Got in. We literally took the same trade. But I
Caught
got.
shorts at the open right before macro. Caught shorts at the open. Up here?
My stop loss was here.
Where did?
Well, it was
short-
originally here. Here.
turtle soup
But
this?
then it just didn't.
You turtle soup son of a bitch.
But then I saw this for I got my Yama over here. That's no point. My wrist was
Caught
already
the
like,
1 minute inversion. Oh, right here. Damn, nice.
yeah, I was seeing that too. I got live. I'm like, it's too early.
Very nice.
So I just didn't bother to trade it anymore.
You son of a gun. What's up, Yash? Been flat all week, just not getting the entries I want and see price run without me. Well, it's a little bit of an odd week, Yash.
Look, my boy made 600, like 7 something, bro. Almost 750,000, bro.
I mean, yesterday was real choppy, right?
Yeah, yes, I got fucking whooped.
Seems like a lot of people had some struggles yesterday.
Yeah,
Um,
I got my ass whooped yesterday.
and then today, I mean, shoot, I wouldn't say this was like necessarily the easiest. You have to be patient. We had 10 a.m. news every day this week.
Yeah.
And, I mean, until tomorrow, we don't have.
Yeah, I
10
got
a.m. news
whooped,
tomorrow,
man. I
so
got
everything crammed
violated
into a
yesterday.
short week. Labor Day Monday, NFP on Friday. You know, here's our 4-hour chart, right? So.
Yeah, I was looking for that. Exactly, I was looking for that
4-hour
too.
Barcode, this 4-hour range back and forth.
Yeah, the thing that messed me up mentally today was just that we took a pre-session
Not the
high.
easiest conditions, right? You just gotta pick your shots, try to keep your risk in check,
Yeah.
and just make as logically sound decisions as you can.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go walk my dog. Yeah.
Are they just guessing? You know what I mean? Like sometimes I have those moments, but
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna
I
go.
will say that.
I'll see you guys tomorrow for NP.
Nice thing about, I guess, a lot of the people that I follow on social media
Yeah.
today is like they do a pretty good job of explaining the framework.
Alright guys, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for NFP. We took a W. We're basically break even for the week, which bro, break even over red. I'm good, dog. Alright, peace out guys. Thank